Marketing is an essential part of any business, helping you to find new customers, retain customers, generate leads, create brand awareness, and ultimately convert people into being a paying customer. In this video, we're going to look at some really common marketing mistakes that you might be making that can limit your growth and hinder your success, and I'll give you tips to avoid making them. You're going to learn how to turn around your marketing to be more effective and also give you a positive return on investment for very little money. Hi, my name is Butler, or essbee to some, and I'm a marketing and communications professional with over 20 years experience. So if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. The first marketing mistake you could be making is not giving people a call to action or a CTA. The consequences of not having a clear CTA are missed opportunities and a reduced number of customer conversions. As the title suggests, a CTA is a statement or a phrase that directs people to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, buy now, filling in a form, or subscribing to a newsletter. Without a clear CTA, believe it or not, customers don't know how to engage with your brand or take a particular action. People want to be told what the next step or action required is, and they're effectively waiting for you to tell them what to do. People want to be told what the next step or action is, and they're effectively waiting there for you to prompt them to do so. Failure to do this can lead to lost sales opportunities, lack of engagement and leads, and therefore limit your business growth. Having a clear and compelling call to action can guide people towards the action that you want them to do. A well-designed CTA will have a sense of urgency, encourage action, and communicate the benefits of doing so. A CTA can also help you track your marketing effectiveness. By measuring the number of people who took a particular action as a result of one of your campaigns, you can track the success of that campaign and make adjustments as needed. Also, when people see a clear CTA, they're more likely to engage with your brand. They might share your content, click on links, or take other actions that spread the word about your product or service. A CTA should be applied to all promotional material, including adverts, websites, and social media. Having a clear and powerful CTA in all marketing collateral is essential for driving action, increasing conversions, and boosting engagement and measuring success. The second mistake you might be making with your marketing is not optimizing your website for mobile use. Mobile devices are now the number one device used to access the internet by people, surpassing desktop computers, and it's going to stay that way. Without mobile optimization on your website, you are limiting your potential reach to these very important pocket of consumers, resulting in lost opportunities and limited business growth. By optimizing your website for mobiles, you're creating a better user experience, which will lead to increased engagement, conversions, and customer loyalty. A mobile optimized or responsive website is designed to load quickly and display properly on the small screens, making it easier for users to interact and navigate the site. Mobile users are on the go and have less time to spend browsing. Simplifying the design, having clear and easy call to actions, eliminating unnecessary elements, and using clear, easy to read fonts can make the site easier to navigate on smaller screens. Those that fail to optimize for mobile risk falling behind and let your competitors take the lion's share of your customers, because users are going to give up on your website in frustration and bounce off to one of your competitors who has optimized their website. Optimizing your mobile is also good for your search engine rankings, because sites like Google and other search engines prioritize mobile optimized sites in their search results, pushing it up the rankings. Rising up in the rankings means more people see your site and therefore push more people to your website and increase the likelihood of more customers converting into sales. The third mistake you could be making in your marketing is focusing on features, not on benefits. People are actually more interested in how a product or service is going to benefit them rather than the technical specs of your product or service. Of course, features are important, but it's actually the benefits that prompt people to convert into paying customers. There's a really famous marketing quote by Professor Theodore Levitt from the Harvard Business School, which says people don't buy a quarter-inch drill bit, they buy a quarter-inch hole. Say you're trying to sell a new laptop. You could promote the features of the laptop like a high processing speed, its large storage capacity, and advanced graphics card. However, if you want to appeal to somebody's needs and desires and therefore increase the chances of converting them into a paying customer, you might focus on the benefits they will gain from the laptop or a pain point that the product resolves. For instance, you could highlight how the laptop can help you work more efficiently and complete tasks more easily. You could also emphasise the laptop's long battery life, the lightweight design, and the portability, which makes it more convenient for users to take with them on the go. By focusing on the benefits of the laptop, you're appealing to people's emotions and desires rather than just listing technical specifications. This approach is more effective in helping customers convert into paying customers, as it helps them envision how your product can remove their pain point and improve their lives. Without a focus on benefits, you might struggle to connect with your target audience and fail to communicate the value of your product or service. By highlighting the benefits, you can create a more compelling message that resonates with your audience and therefore drives sales. Also, by focusing on benefits, you can differentiate yourself from your competitors by highlighting the unique value that your product or service offers. This can help establish a stronger brand reputation and foster customer loyalty. The fourth mistake you might be making with your marketing is not standing out from the crowd. USP stands for unique selling proposition or unique selling point, and it refers to the distinctive advantage or benefit that sets you apart from your competitors. A USP is really important to have because it helps you differentiate yourself in a crowded market, and it can make your product or service seem more appealing to prospective customers. By highlighting your USP, you can create a memorable brand identity for yourself and attract customers who are looking for something that sets a particular product or service apart from others. For example, the USP of ride-sharing app Uber is the use of advanced technology to provide real-time updates on driver location, estimated arrival times, and fares. These unique features provide a level of convenience and transparency that other taxi and ride-sharing experiences did not provide. By highlighting this difference in their marketing, Uber has successfully differentiated themselves from their competitors and built a really strong brand identity. FedEx's USP is when it absolutely positively has to be there overnight. This positioning statement sets it apart from its competitors by emphasising its speed and reliability in delivering packages. Another example is Apple's USP of designing products that are simple, elegant, and intuitive to use, setting them apart from competitors with a focus on user experience and design. Having a strong USP is crucial for businesses because it helps you differentiate yourself from others, and it makes it easier to communicate your unique value to your potential customers. A strong USP can create customer loyalty and, of course, generate sales. The fifth mistake you might be making in your marketing, especially if you're a small local business, is not claiming your Google business page. If you have a local business but don't have a Google business page, you're making a big mistake. Not having a Google business page limits your business's visibility and credibility in local search results. According to Google, 78% of people conduct local searches on their smartphones as a primary means of finding information about a business or service provider in their area. A Google business page is a free listing that appears in the Google search results and provides information about your business name, website, phone number, hours of operation, and also provides customer reviews of your business. Without a Google business page, you may struggle to appear or rank highly in local search results when your potential customers are searching for businesses just like yours. This can result in lost opportunities as customers flock to a business that does have a Google business page instead. Google business pages help you to appear in local map results and also knowledge panels, which can increase your visibility in the super important Google search results and drive more traffic to your website or your physical location. Also, a Google business page can help you establish credibility with potential customers. Customer reviews and ratings are displayed prominently on your Google business pages, which can provide social proof to potential customers. Social proof is really important because it helps you build trust, credibility, and authority. By showing that other people have had a positive experience with a brand, product, or service, potential customers are more likely to trust and feel confident in their decision to buy from you. The sixth mistake you might be making is not asking for and using reviews from your customers. Social proof is extremely important in marketing as it plays a critical role in building trust and credibility with potential customers. When people are considering purchasing a product or service, they are often looking for validation from others who have already made that purchase. Social proof helps to provide this validation by demonstrating that others have had a positive experience, making it more likely that the potential customer will also have a positive experience. In addition to building trust and credibility, social proof can also increase conversion rates and sales. According to a study by Nielsen, 92% of consumers trust recommendations from friends and family, while 70% trust online reviews from strangers. By using social proof in your marketing, you can tap into this powerful influence and encourage more people to buy your products and services. Social proof can also create a sense of community and loyalty around your brand. By highlighting the positive experiences of customers, you can create a connection between your brand and your customers, leading to repeat business and brand advocacy. The seventh mistake you might be making in your marketing is not emailing your customers. Ignoring communication with your customers through an email database when marketing a business can be a mistake, because email is one of the most effective and cost-efficient ways to connect and build relationships with your customers. An email database is a collection of email addresses of your customers. You've been given permission from them to send promotional emails, newsletters, and other marketing promotion messages. Without this email database, you might find it difficult to keep in regular communication with your customers, which can lead to reduced customer engagement and loyalty. Email marketing can help you stay top of mind with customers and therefore increase the chances of repeat purchases. By using an email database, you can keep in contact with customers in a targeted and personal way. That's because email marketing allows you to segment your email list based on customer preferences, their behaviours and demographics, which can increase the relevance and the effectiveness of your marketing messages. Email marketing can be used to drive sales and increase revenue. By sending promotional emails with special offers to your email database, you can incentivize customers to make a purchase or take advantage of a special promotion. Email marketing is also highly measurable, which can help you track the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns and make tweaks and changes as needed. By analysing email open rates, click-through rates and conversion rates, you can optimise your email marketing campaigns and improve your overall return on investment as you go. On average, email drives an ROI of $36 for every $1 spent, which is higher than any other promotional channel you can use, and it shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, email revenues are projected to keep growing every year for the next 5 years and beyond. Email marketing is really cost effective because the cost of sending emails is so small compared to other marketing channels like traditional advertising. This means you can reach large numbers of people without spending a lot of money. And because you can send targeted messages to specific groups of people based on their interests, behaviour and demographics, you can ensure the right message is being sent to the right person, which increases the likelihood that they will convert into paying customers. The eighth mistake you might be making in your marketing is not advertising online. Advertising online is one of the most cost-effective and targeted ways you can market to somebody. Online advertising allows you to target customers with precision, delivering your message to those who are most likely to be interested in your product or services. Today, without online advertising, you will find it challenging to reach potential customers who are primarily using the internet to discover and engage with brands. By advertising online, you can increase your visibility and reach a wider audience, aiding brand awareness. Online advertising platforms such as Google Ads and social media advertising offer you the ability to target your ads based on factors like geographic location, their interests, behaviours and demographics, making it easier for you to reach your ideal customers who are most likely to convert into taking a desired action. Online advertising can also be used to drive specific actions such as visiting your website, lead generation, and of course sales. There's a variety of online advertising formats such as display ads, search engine ads, social media ads, video ads, native ads, and influencer marketing. Display ads are visual ads that are placed on websites and can be targeted based on a user's demographics, interests, and behaviour. Search engine ads are text ads that appear at the top of search results when people are searching for a particular query. Social media ads are targeted ads that appear on social media platforms and can be again targeted based on things like user interests, behaviour and demographics. Video ads are ads that appear before or during video content and can again be targeted based on a user's interests and behaviour. Native ads are ads that actually blend in with the content on a website or a social media platform. Influencer marketing involves partnering with a social media influencer to promote a product or service to their followers. The choice of your social media advertising format will depend on your target audience, your budget, and your marketing goals. Online advertising is really cost effective and provides a good return on investment. By targeting specific audiences based on those things like their behaviour, their location, their demographics, their interests, you can ensure your ads are just reaching the right people. This helps to maximise the effectiveness of advertising spend and minimise wastage that can come from advertising to people who aren't likely to convert. Online advertising also enables you to track and measure the success of your advertising campaign in real time, so you can tweak and optimise your campaigns as they go. It offers a range of flexible advertising models like pay per click, cost per impression and cost per action, which can be tailored to suit your marketing budget and your goals. The ninth mistake you might be making with your marketing is not defining your target audience. It's really difficult to create an effective marketing strategy that resonates with your customers if you don't actually know who your audience is. In marketing, this is called a target market, and it's a specific group of customers who are most likely to be interested in your product or service. Understanding their needs, wants, desires, pain points and preferences is crucial to creating a message that resonates with them and motivates them to take a desired action. Without a clearly defined target market, you may waste things like money, time and precious marketing resources on efforts that don't reach your intended audience or meet their needs. By defining your target market, you can create a more focused and efficient marketing strategy that maximizes your return on investment and drives sales and revenue. Furthermore, defining your target market can also help you differentiate yourself from your competitors by tailoring your offerings to meet the specific needs of your audience. This can lead to greater customer satisfaction, brand loyalty, and improved overall business success. The last mistake you might be making in your marketing is not using social media. Social media is one of the most effective marketing channels available. Social media offers you the ability to connect with your customers and interact in a personalised way with them, which improves relationships and builds brand awareness. Without a social media presence, you might struggle to reach your potential audience, who are primarily using social media to discover and engage with brands. Social media is an important tool for marketing for quite a few reasons. You can reach a really large audience with social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and Twitter have billions of users worldwide, making it easy for you to reach a large audience with marketing messages for very little cost. It also increases brand awareness. Social media allows you to create and share content that can help increase brand awareness amongst your target audience. By regularly sharing content, you can stay top of mind and build a loyal following with them. You can connect with your customers. Social media provides you a direct line of communication with your customers, allowing you to respond to inquiries, provide customer service, and engage with your audience at the time that your customers desire it. Social media has powerful targeting capabilities that allow you to target audiences based on demographics, interest behaviours, geographic location and more. This makes targeted advertising super easy and cost effective. It helps ensure that your messages are being seen by the right people. Social media marketing is super cost effective, especially compared to traditional advertising like print and TV. This allows smaller businesses to compete with larger ones to reach a wider audience. Avoiding these common marketing mistakes can help you activate marketing initiatives that resonate with your potential and existing customers. It's important to continually evaluate and optimize your marketing efforts to stay ahead of the competition and remain relative in a constantly evolving market. I hope you've enjoyed learning about these marketing mistakes and are now going to take some steps to avoid making them with your business. My name is Sarah Butler. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next week with another